This is how you close your suitcase in the morning before you leave. Done. It's closed. Breakfast time in the hotel, and they offer the American breakfast and fruits only and some other things. What juice do you have?
We only have the powdered juice.
That's fine.
Mango, orange, or pineapple?
Mango. Thank you.
Welcome.
My boyfriend.
My girlfriend.
Okay, this is our last day here in Bohol. It's our breakfast. This is my breakfast buddy. He enjoys my American breakfast. Yeah, we made it! They told us usually you cannot get tickets an hour earlier, but we made it!
And we're going to?
We're going from Bohol Island to Siquijor Island. Welcome to Siquijor!
Yeah!
This is our transportation to our resort. So he's tidying our suitcase in here, and the other one's going to be on the top.
I like it a lot.
So he's just tying it.
Party!
We arrived in Siquijor, and now we got our tricycle, and we are going to our resort. Our tricycle ran out of gas, so we have to put some gas now. All the taxis here are tricycles or jeepney, but jeepney charge you a lot more. So from Lina to our hotel, which we got a hotel in San Juan, it's 400 with tricycle. But if you want to get the jeepney, it's 1800. And the road again. So this is our room. They didn't have one bed, so they gave us 2 beds. And there is a little kitchen here. For the price, I think it's perfect. So this is lunch today in Siquijor. It just looks amazing. And I order pork belly with rice and salad. And then you order fish belly with French fries and salad.
Come on now, come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it live. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swim, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Come live a little bit of what you.
So here finally at Siquijor Island. The first thing that I noticed is the beautiful clouds, the palms and the sand. Even Bob Ross cannot draw and paint clouds like this.
They're amazing.
They're absolutely beautiful. I mean,
Gorgeous.
you can see the clouds are magnificent. The palms, the sand is beautiful.
The whole beach walk, it's amazing.
Yeah, and also there is something that reminds me of a Virgin Island. You know, the level of the sea going down and up pretty much every 6 hours. Very interesting. I never seen that before in my life.
An hour ago, actually, everything was covered with water, and now you can see how the water is just going back.
Exactly.
It's like the whole tide
Right.
at the moment. It's just like for less than an hour, maybe 45 minutes, we were having lunch, and we came here and no water, and we were thinking to even swim.
Yeah.
So now we're going to a new beach, perfect for swimming there. So we'll go and see you there. So we made it to the Palitan beach.
Loco paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun.